birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year on them. Yeah. Go on, one a vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Whoa. One more year on them. Yeah. More life to you, can we there till the end. Real from me heart, no pretend. Big birthday, bash. If I ever on the ground, lick splash.
And so I sing this for you. Oh my birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, I gotta sing on to you every day. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, I gotta sing on to you every day, every day, every day.
Afternoon. Please, where is she at? Okay. So guys, I'm here with Gilberta at Luxury Strands by Mimi, and we're about to do my birthday hair. My birthday is my birthday. Yes, so when we are done when we are done with the results, we would show you everything. See you. Hey pinkies, what's poppin'? I'm looking nice, I'm looking pretty. She ate and left no crumbs, and that's on what's PV. Girl called me ugly. I said, girl, where? She said, oh, she said, on she said, under all that makeup. I said, girl, where? You guys, my birthday is coming.
I like your last name. Can I have it? I like your last name. Can I have it?
So from here, I would go and do my lashes. You see, yesterday some went off, so I'll go and do that. And yeah. Hey pinkies, it's your girl keeping up with Becca. I'm so excited because we are doing our birthday maintenance, but today is my birthday shoot. I'm so excited. Should I jump? So I've scarfed my hair right now, and then I have to wet my hair. Okay, so it becomes like the one you saw before this vlog. So I'm currently waiting for my ride to come. I've packed my kente dress. I've packed my stuff. Like, I've packed my stuff for my shoot. I'll be using 2 outfits. So I'm going to do my makeup at Dansoman. So we would go to Dansoman. I mean, you and I. We go to Dansoman. Then from there we go to the studio to have the shoot. And I'm going alone. Like, I don't have any friend I'm going with. Have I lost friends, or they're just busy? Anyway, I'm used to going to shoot alone. So I would go alone, then I would vlog with my tripod whilst I'm doing the photo shoot. So don't worry, I got you. It's my day. Monday is my day, like 3rd March. Your birthday girl is so excited. And then on 3rd March, I don't even know what I'm doing. the time you'll be seeing this video, I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know what I'm saying, but then let me show you my outfit. So see you when I get to the makeup place and then my photo shoot. Don't go anywhere. So this is me with my outline. Okay. Yeah, feeling it. Come and do it. Like this side. That's nice. I'm here for the shoot. Press the top and push it down to come down. You guys see my photographer Ni? We are shooting right now. This is my photographer Ni. You can find him on Instagram, Blaine Short Media, right?
Yeah.
Now look inside the camera. Hi, he's single by the way. He's looking. Where are you going? Oh no, you're mailing me. He's single.
Oh no, I'm single now.
You see, he's single. He's looking for a wife. So guys, this is my second outfit, and this is the second.
You don't know that this is I'm single. Why are you worrying me?
So bad I don't have Snap. Oh, let me use your phone for Snapchat. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yay! Finally, 10th March is here. And I've gotten a cake from my bestie. Look at it. It says, fuck 21, hello 22. And that's on well, period. She knows I love pink so much. And this is so nice from Dolly Cakes. I love her cakes, by the way. It's so pretty. I wasn't expecting this inscription. I was thinking should write happy birthday Kim Becca, but this, and oh, I got a new phone, by the way. I got a 16 in pink on my birthday. Actually, I got it before my birthday because I wanted to log in my Snap account today. Oh, so I'm going to do TikTok. I did some TikToks, and then when I changed my phone, it's missing. So I have to do. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Thank you, bestie. I'm on YouTube too. Please, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah. So the cake has been opened. I've already eaten some, but I was eating the ice. Oh, let me taste. So you all know that I love pink. Let me just show you what I just had. I'm having this event, this birthday event tomorrow, which is 4th March. Today is 3rd March, if you are watching. At Levels Lounge, eating Accra Osu in the evening. We're gonna party. Then Friday, we would do Oasis, another club, a DJ Black's club. And then Friday, I think there's a surprise for me. I don't know yet. So we'll find out in this vlog. I just know what I saw. I'm sure. What is this? Hey! Hi! I've missed you guys. Having to miss Portia on this vlog. Experience with the love. Oh, I've missed you, my baby. So guys, I am going to Levels Lounge. I'm currently waiting for my friends to come so we all go together. I don't know if the position of the camera is good, but then I'm waiting for them. When we get there, I'll vlog and all of that. See you when I get there.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
So guys, we are waiting for our ride and we're at Oxford Street. Ooh, this place is so classy and nice. Barry, say hi.
So can you go to the front? To the three girls, right? You and
Yeah,
two.
they are inside.
You and two, right?
Yes.
You both at the back. Okay,
Yeah.
so can you go to the front? We'll come with them.
Guys, I'm doing my makeup by my sister. Makeup artist back.
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year bundle. Yeah. Go on, wanna vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year bundle. Yeah. More life to you, can we there till the end. Real from me heart, no pretend. Big birthday, bash. If I ever on the ground, lick, splash. Give thanks for my life. Oh.
I pray for you all of my life, that you would be my sun, my moon, my light. Now I'll testify. You God bless the day you were born, cause baby when you show things for my life just start to dey glow. And so I sing this for you. Oh my birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, I gotta sing on to you every day.
is Alexander Wang bag. I love it. Thank you for sharing. Are you concentrating? I just want to say thank you all for coming here. I appreciate you all. And thank you all for the gifts, the money, the wishes, everything you said about me. I'm so grateful. I'm honored to be your friend. And I want to let you know that I'll be present today. I got you all. Thank you, God bless each and everyone for coming. I love you. Amen. Thank you so much. So excited. I'm so grateful and happy that we got to do all of that. And thanks for everyone that came and gave me gifts. So I'm here to even unbox gifts, but then yeah, you've seen everything in the vlog. I don't even need to say what happened because you can see I'm tired. And as I'm standing here now, 8 March, my friend is having a birthday today. It's also all pink. I don't know if I can go. I don't know if I can. Have you seen me this side before? I don't know if I can go. But then let's unbox. Before we unbox, let me show you something. This is the bag of my best friend and I was removing. This is what they fixed. I think I should hang it in my house somewhere because it's my picture. My favorite picture. And I like it. And talking about unboxing gifts, one of my friends got me, what's it called? A frame with the same picture. This exact picture on the backdrop. So she would deliver it to me. And some other gift from someone. So if you see me unboxing, just know that it's a continuation of my gifts, right? My friends do know that I love pink. Oh my God. This is from Benny, my sister Carol. You get it. This is so pretty. How, like, where did she get this from? You know, anything pink is nice. Like, this is nice. Look, it's giving leather kind of thing. Oh, this is so wow. Damn, this is so pretty. You guys, are you seeing? Are you seeing the details? Wow, my friends really did a big thing. And then some of them gave me money. My big mamas, my rich aunties. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. This is from Evodia. They don't want me to mention their names. You get it? So should I continue? Let me just mention their names anyway. So those who know them will know them. This is from Evodia. Let me see if I can open it. Damn, this is so pretty, and it has this too. I should do a snap unboxing too. I don't want to do TikTok unboxing because I don't like sending everything on TikTok. This one is for YouTube. You get it? I don't like sending everything on TikTok. If I'll do unboxing on TikTok, then it's 1 or 2 things that are not linked. Like TikTok, I want to send brands there, like Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Chanel, those unboxing. That's what I want to do there. And then unboxing of these iPhones and those stuff. But then once in a while, when I don't do YouTube, then I unbox my baby girl. Let's unbox this one. My girl did that. She did that. She got me an Alexander Wang bag. I love this bag so much. I had one. My mom got me one. Let me squat. I'm so tired. My mom got me one, and then some of the pearls got removed. So when she got me one, Portia is so thoughtful, like very, very thoughtful. I don't even know how she knew that my bag is spoiled or something. I love this bag. She did that. Thank you, Portia. I know I annoy you sometimes, but get all out of me. Then books. Hey. Sparkling grape drink. I like grapes too. Oh, yeah, this is it. Thank you, Asabi. And then another thoughtful person. I mean, they're all thoughtful. She got me cases because she knew I changed my phone to 16. So she got me 3 different cases and they're original cases. Okay, because I've tested. It is tested and approved by Kembeka. Period. You guys, a period. Thank you, baby. What's this?
God bless the day you were born, cause baby when you show things for my life just start to dey glow. And so I sing this for you. Oh my birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, I gotta sing on to you every day.
Ebo. Ebo. Thank you, Asabi. I'm sure she was out of gift ideas, but this is nice. Okay, thank you. And then, hey, a pink outfit. And I was thinking of getting a pink outfit. Oh my god, I used to have this dress. I used to have the lighter pink one. And she's got me this. Size 8. It should be size 8. Hey, R&B. It's an R&B, man. It's not in cities. This is a dress. I'm so grateful and glad. Thank you for unboxing with me. The girl is tired. Bye.
Things get good, hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking on myself? Memories just keep ringing bells. Hear voices I don't wanna understand. My car keys are jingling in my head. My hands I couldn't get towards the door.
Hi Pinkies. So this is the continuation of my unboxing. The package just arrived. Okay. Just forget the packaging and let's unbox this. I'm so hungry. I was trying to order food from Chicken Man, but long story. Let's unbox this. Let's see what's inside. I think I've already said what I was gonna get. Okay. I'm not feeling well though, you guys. Are you ready to see? I'm done unboxing or I'm done unwrapping it. Ta-da! This is me, my favorite picture from Theodora to me. It's so pretty. Period. Thank you, baby. God bless you. Mwah.
Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him